Hello YouTube, today we're going to be doing an in-depth review of the Dirt Devil Vision Swivel Glide. And this model is the one without the performance indicator or stuff like that, so this was a cheaper model at the time, I think. So yeah, first we'll go into the build quality. It has some you don't hear any quirks or cracks or stuff like that. This is built very well. I would say not as well as this, but it's built pretty good. I'll get into attachment set. And also build quality. Every Vision, I think, like this has a metal brush wheel, so another plus. You get this edge tool, power edger, that goes on the front right here, and then you would connect your hose to it like this, and you would go around your house edging whatever the heck you would want to edge. Let's see what else we got. This dusting brush that also acts as a combo tool. This is not that bad of a dusting brush. I don't think it's that bad of a dusting brush. It comes off like that, and you got a combo tool. Basically, a upholstery tool and dusting brush. But this vacuum has one of the standard fittings, and you can use different tools if you'd like. You got this crevice tool here. Standard on all Dirt Devils. In. And then you got this telescoping extension wand. I can get this telescoping wand. That's a nice feature. And I think Dirt Devil back in the day was a good brand, so I don't know why people hate on Dirt Devil. You got this powered edge tool that I think is very unique and works pretty good. This would probably be your upholstery tool, but you can also use this as well. The power edger goes like that, and I have the full set of attachments for this. So yeah, I love Dirt Devil and how they innovated this. You have hide a hose, which you have an extra 3 feet of hose in that. And pull it, you get an extra 3 feet of hose, which is very nice. I like that feature. You got a nice grip up here. You can take it off if you want, but I like it on and stuff like that. This vacuum, I'm pretty sure, came with a scuff guard that goes around like this. Not the one that covers up this stuff, but goes around the bumper. What was it? You got the height adjustment. You got 7 height adjustments. So yeah, I like to leave it on that setting right here. So you got a nice cord. Nice cord. It's not the best. It's not the worst. But yeah, you got your handle release right there. Just press it down, recline into place. Now let's get into the dust cup. So you release the dust cup like this, and you have a bin here. You have the filter. I cleaned this out, but you really want to clean this HEPA filter out every time you vacuum, or at least just shake it out on the trash can. I obviously don't want to put this HEPA filter back in. Yeah, and also mine has a very bad lean, so I've tried to fix that multiple times. I replaced the base plate, which helped that a lot. Once again, some really nice features on this. I love the swivel casters. It's a very nostalgic design for me. I had a Royal like the royal style of the Dirt Devil swivel glide, so these were very nostalgic. But you have swivel casters here. These are kind of rusted out. I took this off my green swivel glide, so yeah, the other base plate was a little bit better condition. Yeah, wooden brush roll, which very nice, very nice. Has deep medium stiff bristles. They're decently long still, surprisingly. Date code. Full focus. 04, it looks like. This was made in 2004. So, yeah. Alright. Let's get this focus up. You have 2 HEPA filters. You have one right here that doesn't have a really good seal. There we go. Hope I did not break that. But you have this filter here. You got a gasket that goes along here. And, oh, whoops. So, it's an okay HEPA filter. It's kind of like a Phantom HEPA filter. It's pretty thick. It's not as thick as a Phantom HEPA filter, but yeah. This might need replacing. I probably should replace it. But for right now, it's fine. I'm not like vacuuming my whole house with this, like a main vacuum. But yeah, I should probably clean this out. It's back. Let's plop that back on. I don't know. Hose archer. Someone tell me in the comments, if the comments are turned on, what this does. I have no clue. Maybe it arches the hose. I don't really know what it is for. But yeah, this is a very good piece of Dirt Devil history. I really like this vacuum. We'll do a test run. Just because. Also, my bedroom needs to be vacuumed, so. Alright, well, this is the Dirt Devil. Sorry about the mess. Dirt Devil Vision swivel glide. That was the Dirt Devil Vision swivel glide review, and not really in depth, but just a simple review, I guess. I'll be reviewing a bunch of vacuums, so expect the next video to be a review video or a comparison video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.